Hey everyone, Linus here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of compact gaming PCs with a close look at the MSI Trident 3. This sleek machine is designed to fit into any gaming setup without taking up too much space. This little beast promises big performance in a small package, but does it deliver on that promise? Let's find out together as we explore its capabilities and see if it lives up to the hype. The MSI Trident 3 is aimed at gamers who want a powerful machine without sacrificing precious desk space. It's perfect for those who need a high-performance PC but don't have the room for a full-size tower. It's designed to be compact and portable, making it ideal for LAN parties or smaller setups. You can easily carry it around and set it up wherever you go, ensuring you never miss a gaming session. But don't let its size fool you. This PC packs a punch. With its powerful internals, it can handle the latest games with ease, providing a smooth and immersive gaming experience. Over the next few sections, we'll dissect the Trident 3's design, specs, performance, and value. We'll take a closer look at its build quality, the components inside, and how it stacks up against other gaming PCs in its class. We'll see how it handles the latest games and compare it to its competitors. We'll run a series of benchmarks and real-world tests to give you a clear picture of its performance. By the end, you'll know if the MSI Trident 3 is the right gaming rig for you. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this review will help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned. First impressions? This thing is tiny. The MSI Trident 3 boasts a remarkably compact design. It's significantly smaller than your average gaming tower, making it easy to fit into tight spaces. Don't let the size fool you though. The build quality is solid. The chassis is primarily plastic, but it feels sturdy and well put together. It's clear that MSI hasn't compromised on build quality for the sake of size. The front panel features a sleek, angular design with customizable RGB lighting. It's a nice touch that adds a bit of personality to the setup. Overall, the MSI Trident 3's design is a winner. It's compact, stylish, and well built. Now, let's pop the hood and see what makes this little beast tick. The MSI Trident 3 comes in various configurations, but we're looking at a model with some serious horsepower. Powering this compact machine is an Intel Core i7 processor, a workhorse known for its excellent gaming performance. Paired with a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics card, the Trident 3 is ready to tackle the latest games with ease. You also get a healthy dose of RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and a responsive gaming experience. Storage is handled by a speedy SSD, which means lightning-fast boot times and game loading. The MSI Trident 3 doesn't skimp on graphics. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics card delivers stunning visuals and smooth frame rates, even in demanding games. Whether you're exploring vast open worlds or engaging in intense firefights, the Trident 3 ensures a visually immersive gaming experience. The graphics card is capable of handling high resolutions and refresh rates, making it a great choice for gamers with high-end monitors. Of course, you'll need a monitor to match. The Trident 3 doesn't come with a built-in display, giving you the flexibility to choose one that fits your needs and budget. Section 5. Storage and Memory Speed Demons. Let's talk storage and memory. The MSI Trident 3 comes equipped with a fast SSD, which does wonders for loading times. Games boot up in a flash, and levels load in the blink of an eye. The generous amount of RAM ensures smooth multitasking. You can have multiple applications open, browse the web, and even stream your gameplay without experiencing any lag or slowdown. The combination of a fast SSD and ample RAM makes the Trident 3 a snappy and responsive machine, whether you're gaming, working, or just browsing the web. Section 6. Gaming Prowess. Putting the Trident to the test. Alright, let's get down to business. Today we are diving deep into the gaming capabilities of the MSI Trident 3. How does the MSI Trident 3 actually perform in games? This is the question on every gamer's mind. In short, it handles modern titles like a champ. But let's break that down a bit more. We put the Trident 3 through its paces with a variety of demanding games, from the latest AAA titles to some classic favorites. And it consistently delivered impressive frame rates and smooth gameplay, even when the action on screen was at its most intense. The combination of a powerful CPU and dedicated graphics card ensures a fantastic gaming experience. This hardware synergy is key to its performance. From fast-paced shooters to sprawling RPGs, the Trident 3 handled everything we threw at it with ease. No stuttering, no lag, just pure gaming bliss. The Trident 3's ability to handle demanding games without breaking a sweat is truly impressive. It's a testament to its robust design and engineering. The cooling system also deserves a shout-out. Even under heavy load, the Trident 3 remained relatively quiet, which is always a plus. The efficient cooling solution ensures that the system stays cool and performs optimally, even during marathon gaming sessions. This means you can game for hours without worrying about overheating or excessive noise. The Trident 3 truly stands out in the crowded field of gaming PCs. Section 7. Beyond Gaming, a Multifaceted Machine. While the MSI Trident 3 is undoubtedly a gaming machine at heart, it's also a capable all-rounder. The powerful hardware makes it well-suited for a variety of tasks beyond gaming. Need to edit videos? The Trident 3 can handle it. Working on a graphic design project? No problem. The combination of a powerful CPU, dedicated GPU, and ample RAM makes it a versatile machine for creative professionals. Of course, it's also perfect for everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking emails, and streaming movies. The Trident 3 is a true multitasker, capable of handling whatever you throw at it. Section 8. Price point, value for your money. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The MSI Trident 3 doesn't come cheap. It's a premium gaming PC, and its price tag reflects that. However, when you consider the performance, features, and compact design, the Trident 3 offers excellent value for money. It's a powerful machine that can handle the latest games and demanding tasks without breaking the bank. Of course, there are more affordable gaming PCs on the market, but if you're looking for a compact, powerful, and well-designed machine, the Trident 3 is worth considering. Section 9. The competition holding its own. The world of compact gaming PCs is a competitive one. How does the MSI Trident 3 stack up against the competition? There are other great options out there, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some might offer slightly better performance, while others might be more affordable. However, the Trident 3 strikes a great balance between performance, design, and price. It's a well-rounded machine that's hard to beat, especially if you're short on space. Section 10, Final Verdict, a compact contender. So is the MSI Trident 3 worth it? In a word, yes. It's a fantastic gaming PC that delivers exceptional performance in a compact and stylish package. The combination of a powerful CPU, dedicated graphics card, speedy storage, and ample RAM ensures a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. The compact design is a major plus, making it ideal for smaller setups or LAN parties. While it's not the cheapest gaming PC on the market, the Trident 3 offers excellent value for money. If you're looking for a powerful, compact, and well-designed gaming rig, the MSI Trident 3 is a top contender. Section 11. Recommendations. Who should take the plunge? The MSI Trident 3 is a great choice for a variety of gamers. Whether you're a casual player or a hardcore enthusiast, this gaming PC has something to offer for everyone. Space-conscious gamers. If you're short on desk space or want a PC that's easy to transport, the Trident 3's compact design is a major selling point. Its small footprint means it can fit into tight spaces without sacrificing performance. Performance enthusiasts. Don't let the size fool you. This PC packs a punch. With its powerful components, it can handle demanding games and applications with ease, providing a smooth and immersive gaming experience. If you want to play the latest games at high settings, the Trident 3 can handle it. Its robust hardware ensures that you can enjoy your favorite titles in all their glory, with high frame rates and stunning visuals. Style seekers. The Trident 3's sleek design and customizable RGB lighting make it a stylish addition to any setup. You can personalize the lighting to match your gaming environment, adding a touch of flair to your gaming station. However, it might not be the best fit for everyone. It's important to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. Budget-conscious gamers. There are more affordable gaming PCs available. If you're on a tight budget, you might want to explore other options that offer good performance at a lower price point. Hardcore overclockers. The Trident 3's compact design might limit its overclocking potential. If you're looking to push your hardware to the absolute limit, you might need a larger case with better cooling options. Overall, the MSI Trident 3 is an excellent gaming PC that excels in many areas. Its combination of power, style, and compactness makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of gamers. If you're in the market for a powerful and compact machine, be sure to add it to your shortlist. Take the time to compare it with other options and see if it meets your gaming needs and preferences. Happy gaming!